So friends, this is what happen if you replace a sun with a biggest star, which is 100,000 millions more bigger than sun, then melting because the ice in the Pluto, due to this hot big star, the ice is totally melting and evaporating actually, as we can see here. Total Pluto, total climate is totally changed, is totally destroyed, ice is totally melted, and surface temperature is rapidly decreasing. So this is happening when you replace solar system with the big star. Welcome in P. Roy Innovation Tech Stream. So friends, this is a new page which I launched recently. So today's topic, as I written in the page description and page heading, so today's topic is we will do some experiments and analysis with using Universe Sandbox. Let me give you some brief about the tool that we used, that we are going to use today, that is Universe Sandbox. And this tool is something like you will do lots of experiments with the planets, stars, comets, meteors, and all other things in the universe. So with this tool we will in today's experiment we will check like what happened if we replace our sun with the biggest star, UY Scuti. So without wasting time, let's see what happened. Okay, so let's move to our Universe Sandbox. I will open Universe Sandbox to you and we will check. Let's move. So on my desktop, so this one is a Universe Sandbox tool that I already installed. So it will take some time, at least 2 to 3 minutes. I will skip this video. Let's wait for some time. Yeah. So here in your screen, this is simulation of entire solar system. We have all the planets revolving around the sun. If you check all the planets, and as well as the meteors, comets, and others particles or things are already it is already visible actually. You can check all are revolving around the sun. In the center we have our sun here. In this simulation we can check each planets we can move, and this planet's orbitary, actually it is moving fast, so we can slow down. In the sandbox we can slow down. Here you can check, this is actually increasing the time. Actually the time is more fast than now, so that's why we need to decrease the time. So now you can see all the planets are almost, it is showing like it stopped revolving, but it is due to the time actually factor that I slow down the time, so it's slow. So let's move to our Earth planet. So as you see in the simulation, this is Venus and this is Earth. Click on the Earth planet. Okay, so let's zoom in. Okay, so it's revolving actually, so it's slowly actually revolving, and time frame is actually minutes, more than minutes actually. It is, I can slow down here also, no issue. Okay, so this is our planet where we are actually living, and in the simulation you can see that is the sun. Now as per experiments of today experiments, actually what happened if we replace this sun with a biggest a million times greater than the size of the sun, UY Scuti. So let's do it and check what it will happen. Okay, so to complete this task, what we will do, we will click on the sun and then click on it. Then we have replace button. Let me check we have or not. I guess yes. Replace object. So when I click on replace object, we have others, lots of others objects. It's appear in this window, and we can check actually which one is a brightest stars and which one is a UY Scuti actually. So UY Scuti, I will scroll down and will check. So yes, I found it, UY Scuti. I will click on it and I will replace. So once I will replace it, then what happened, you can see on one click, boom. So friends, this is what happened if you replace a sun with a biggest star, which is 100,000 millions more bigger than sun. Then what happened? So nearest planets, Venus, all other planets are already absorbed by this sun, means Earth is nowhere in the solar system right now, because of this huge star already shallow Earth, already absorbed Earth inside it. So others planet, which is Uranus, Saturn and Neptune, Pluto, these are actually the planet which is revolving around this big star. And let's see what happened to Pluto, because it is the farthest planet, more far planet from the solar system. So let's see what happened to it, because if it is so far, it means it is a more icy planet. And what happened when we replace our sun with Scuti? So you can check actually this planet, this is Pluto, and Pluto's surface is totally actually it's melting, because the ice in the Pluto, due to this hot big star, the ice is totally melting and evaporating actually. So when I click on this, let's check the surface temperature of Pluto. We can check also. Let's check on the simulation. Is minus 223. If we speed up the time, then what happened, we can check actually, we can do it. The time is actually right now is in minutes, it's going. Let's move the time more fastly and then we can check what happened. So I will move it so fast. Now check, the temperature is actually decreasing. The temperature is totally decreasing. It means more day, more age or more year when it's revolving. Then what happened to Pluto? You can check here with the simulation. So the Pluto is actually now revolving around the big star, but the temperature of Pluto is totally decreasing actually. One more time we can check. See, temperature is totally decreasing here, 465. So this happened actually when we replace our sun with UY Scuti. Then what happened, you can see. Now I will move the time more fast so that you can check total what happened. See here, Pluto, entire Pluto is totally melted. Ice of the Pluto is changing here, and Pluto is changing into a red dwarf planet, as we can see here. Total climate is totally changed, is totally destroyed. Ice is totally melted, and surface temperature is rapidly decreasing. So this is happening when you replace solar system with the big star. And itself, UY Scuti is revolving around the big black hole which is in the center of Milky Way. So here you have all the pictures in one screen, which is surprising. So friends, this is very interesting. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, because I am doing more experiments like this, and I will do more experience on the sandbox regarding the planets and others areas also, information technology and others, uh, programming related also I will share videos. So press follow up this my page and join with me. This is Roy, and you are watching Piro Innovative Tech Stream. Thanks.